Mission Control for Clover provides complete multi-store management with a detailed reporting dashboard. You can edit inventory, manage employees, and view sales analytics with ease. Let's discuss the reporting features available in the Mission Control app. Through Mission Control's main reporting dashboard, merchants can run sales reports starting from the date they installed the app to the current date. Mission Control sales reports can be customized to fit your needs by adjusting the interval, time frame, and location parameters. To download a report that includes all details for items sold, completed orders, refunds, or credits, set the time frame you would like to use for your report, then click Submit. Click the blue hyperlink for the item you wish to download: orders, line items, refunds, or credits. A pop-up window will appear. Enter your email address and choose the locations you would like to include. Within minutes, you will receive an email with a CSV attachment displaying the raw data within your selected timeframe and locations. To view profit margins, you'll want to run the Inventory with Sales Data report. You'll want to first make sure you choose a time frame for your report on the main dashboard, then click Submit. Then, select Inventory and choose Download Inventory with Sales Data. This will take you to a pop-up screen. Enter your email address and select at least one location for the report to generate. Once this is done, click Submit. Within minutes, you'll receive an email containing a CSV attachment with your item details for the selected time frame. This will also include your profit margin. To view and download reports for an item, click on the Reporting drop-down and select Item Reports. You will then need to set your parameters for the report. Select the interval in which you would like your report to be run. Select the search function in which you would like to use to find your item, for instance, item name, SKU, item code. Then, enter the name, SKU, or code for the item in which you would like to report. Now, select a date range for your report. Lastly, select the locations you would like to include in your report. Once you have entered your parameters, press Submit. This will populate a visual report under your parameter selections. There are also CSV file exports available for these results. The Download Full Items report will create a report showing all of your items' revenue and unit count for the time frame you selected, separated by store. The Report by Units report will show how many units of your selected item have been sold within your selected time frame, separated by interval and store. Report by Revenue will show how much revenue you have generated through your selected item within your selected time frame, separated by interval and store. The Top Lists report will display your top-selling items, categories, or labels, and top-grossing employees within a selected time frame. Adjust your report settings by selecting the time frame and location you wish to report on, and click Submit. You'll now see top-selling items by unit count and revenue, top-selling categories by revenue, top-selling labels by revenue, and lastly, the most successful employees by revenue and transaction count. Each of these reports can be downloaded into CSV files as well. Set up an automated daily email that will include financial statistics for the previous day, complete with sales, tender, category, item, and modifier group statistics. In the daily email report dashboard, scroll down to the location you wish to update. Under the location, check the boxes next to the data you would like to include under Include on Report. You can also make your recipient selections here. Once you have made your selections, click the Save Settings button to save your preferences. In need of a custom report? Just reach out to help@abreeztech.com. We will work with you to gather exactly what you need, and your report will live under this section. Now we'll cover the features available for managing inventory in the Mission Control app. To manage your inventory in Mission Control, launch the Mission Control web app from your Clover web dashboard. Navigate to the Inventory tab, then click on Inventory Dashboard from the drop-down options. This will take you to a page where you can create, edit, and transfer inventory. You can create inventory items across all of your locations directly from the Mission Control Inventory dashboard. Select Create New under Make Changes, then select the attribute you wish to create: item, category, modifier group, label, tax rate, or discount. A pop-up window will appear where you can fill out the characteristics for the feature. Once complete, click Submit to save your changes. In this example, we're creating a new item, cheese fries. We're adding it to stores 1 and 3, indicating price, cost, tax rate, and the proper category. If you decide you'd like to copy the item to a different location, simply select Add Item to this location under the appropriate location. You can easily view an item's stock by selecting your search preference, such as item name, SKU, or code, under Search By. Once you have selected your search preference, enter the item information in the Find and Select field and click Go. To edit an item that already exists in your inventory, select the Change Item Property button under Make Changes. In the pop-up window, select the property you would like to edit under Change, which locations you'd like to update it under for, and what you would like to change under to. In this example, we're updating the cost for each item at all 4 locations to $1. To move inventory from one location to another, find the item you would like to move and select it from the inventory dashboard. In this example, we have selected the item cookie and ice cream, then we've selected Move Inventory. A pop-up window will appear. Under the header Move From, we've selected Store To as the location from which we would like to move inventory. Under the header Move To, we've selected Store For as the location we'd like to move inventory to. Under the header Amount Check If in Transit, we indicated a quantity of 10. 10 cookie and ice creams have been moved from Store To Store For. If you'd like to compare pricing between 2 locations, select Compare Pricing. Then select the locations you'd like to compare and enter the email address you'd like the report sent to. For more advanced purchasing functionality, look at our free purchase orders add-on for Mission Control. Here's a little bit about managing employees with the Mission Control app. Mission Control's Employee Dashboard allows merchants to manage their employees across multiple locations, all in one place. Create, edit, or delete employees across all of your stores, email all employees by role, or download a report of employee details. Access to the Mission Control dashboard is controlled by the role an employee is given. The employee role provides 0 access to the Mission Control dashboard. On the Clover device, the employee role can open the Mission Control application to view stock counts in other locations and receive items in transit, but nothing else. The manager role provides access to inventory management through the Mission Control dashboard. The admin role provides access to inventory management, employee management, and reporting through the Mission Control dashboard. Lastly, we'll run through the different settings available in Mission Control. Here is what you'll see under Location Settings. When you select the Approve button next to each location in Location Settings, locations will be able to see stock counts for other locations. Under Merchant Group Settings, you are able to set regions for your locations, which allows for ease when viewing reporting.